Hello, I'm going to show you an exercise called a split squat. Now, a split squat is going to be good for building up strength in the quads and the glutes, which are going to help protect the knee. So if you have a weakness or instability in the knee, you might have been told that a split squat is a good exercise to practice. I'll tell you where some people go wrong. Some people go wrong because they stand too narrow. It's like they're standing on a tandem. So from the get-go, they're struggling too much with their balance. Now, let's show you a good way to combat this and just get it right from the start. So I'll put like a mat down, just a nice soft mat. So if I'm worried about my knee careering into the ground, that worry is now taken away. I've got a nice soft mat. You could even use a yoga block, okay, if you're less confident. So I'm going to kneel down. I like to say I've got a big kneel, okay? So it doesn't matter which leg you start with. This knee on my back leg is behind my hip. I'm going to lean forward as if I'm stretching my hip flexor. Some people might feel a stretch there right away. I've got the knee to the line of the toe of the front leg. Okay? Now, the lateral aspect of my foot, the side of my foot, is in line with my hips. So I've made sure I'm not too narrow just by doing that. Okay? I am going to engage the muscles of the posterior chain. So yes, it's a leg exercise, but we should be braced from the floor up. Okay? I've hooked my toe, my heel is in the air. I'm now going to imagine that both of my knees are going to become apart. So I'm in this split squat position and both of my knees are going to be pushed slightly to the outside, okay? That's going to cause some tightness in the adductors, the inside of the thigh, and it's going to create a little bit of tension for you to push against to stop the knees wobbling so much, and it's going to allow you to focus on the exercise. Lovely. So, it is a very difficult exercise to do. It's certainly going to build some strength. If you're struggling from the get-go and it's just too hard, that's okay. Grabbing something like a broomstick in a contralateral hand, so if I've got my right leg forward, it's always going to be better in the left, just to use that to assist you. About 10, 20, 30%, whatever you need. It's going to be a perfect little tool to help you with your balance so you can work on your strength. And you can rely on it less and less as you improve your technique, okay? Advice for this exercise, I would go for a rep range from 12 to 15 reps. If you can do 15 reps with ease and it's not too hard, it's time to add some weight, okay? But that's the instructional video for the body weight split squat. I hope that helps.